I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse Injury Law Group. California law requires drivers to report certain accidents to the DMV within 10 days. You must file a report if the collision caused injury, death, or property damage exceeding $1,000. This applies even if the accident occurred on private property or if police already filed their own report. The DMV uses these reports to monitor driving records through the negligent operator treatment system. Accumulating too many points from reported accidents or violations can lead to license suspension. You'll need to complete Form SR1, which requires details about all parties involved, injuries sustained, and property damage. While California doesn't legally require you to notify your insurance company, most policies demand prompt reporting. Failure to report could jeopardize your coverage. For commercial vehicles, federal DOT regulations impose additional reporting requirements for serious accidents involving injuries, fatalities, or significant vehicle damage. If you've been in an accident and need help navigating the reporting process or dealing with insurance companies, call us for a free consultation at 877-466-7750. We will do everything we can to protect your rights and guide you through each step.